Hi friends, we are working on the state management library using the Zustand. Last class we have seen the how to work with the count store and how to create the count store using the Zustand library. Today we are going to see the new store like product store. We are going to create the product store.js, and how to create the products and how to add the products and how to delete the products and how to edit the product information. We are going to see in this uh, using this product in the product store.js. First we are going to import the create from Justin. First go to the Justin documentation, justin-dom.pdms Justin, and create the product store equal to one function. It will returns the object. It will returns the object. This function will takes the set as a parameter. This object contains the products, or you can call it as a products list. Products is column array, empty array, and it contains the some functions like add product. It is also function. Add product is a function. This function add product takes the one parameter as a product object. You can call it as the object. This object it consists of the some elements like some properties like id and name, like product id and product name and product price and product description about the product. This information is contains. We are going to in this add product. We are going to uh, we are going to add into this product list. For that set function, we are calling a set function with the previous state, and it will give the object products column of array of state dot products comma and product. This is the add the product. If you want to delete the product, delete product. We want here mainly product id or product primary key or id. You can take it as a like underscore id. First we are going to filter the all the products which are not equal to this product id. We are not equal to product id, which are not equal to product id. We are going to filter into the object. Here state, we are passing the callback function state, parameter state, and it contains the products and state dot products dot filter. Here we are using the filter as a function. We are in this function, it will give the one by one product p dot id not equal to, we are filtering the not equal to underscore id underscore small I. We are going to mention the small I. We are going to filter here which are not equal to this id. We are going to filter. If you suppose my product list contains the three products, like you can take id 1, id 2, id 3. id 3 products contains. I'm clicked on the second product or third product. Suppose I have clicked on the third product. I have passed with the three product to delete my product. I want to delete this third product. First, it will going to call this function what delete product. It will call with with the id underscore id. It will check that First it will going to check filter the which are not equal to product id the using the underscore id. It will allow only the which are not equal to this. If you see 1 is not equal to 3, it will allows into the array. 2 is not equal to 3, it will allows into the array. If 3 is equal to equal, it will not success. That's why it will not allow into the array. Only we will get the this two two things in the array. What is that? id1 and comma id2. Only we will get the these two products. Same like edit product also. Edit product or update product. We can take the update product instead of edit product. Update product. Here we are taking the two things here. First is product information and product ID. Here two things we are taking here, or you can call the single product also. This product contains the actually this is already existing product only. Existing product only we are calling, but some modification is done here. In this product we have done the like we have changed the name or description of this, or we have increased the price of the, like previously that one product price is 500, but now we have increased the 750 or 800. We have increased the price of that product. That for that we are we are we have updated the product price or product name. We have called this function. If you call this function, it will go into the set function and state previous state and products object of products state dot products dot map. We are taking the map for the updation of the product. First we are going to take the one by one product dot id p dot id equal to p dot id equal to product dot id in this product. Which product? This product dot id. If that matches, it will going to update first. It will going to update dot product product. Then it will not if that not matches, it will going to take the only p. Will take the p as a like this one as a product. If that only that id dot p dot id is equal to product dot id matches, we are updating this with the new we are updating with the product with the new information, like it contains the new information. Or if you want to only update the such contents, means here we are taking the id dot p dot id comma remaining things like dot product. id is same. id is a unique number. It is only read-only object. You can take read-only property. id is remaining is we are going to update like a name or a content or price of this product or some other things. If that if that product id is not matched, we are going to remains with the same product here. So like same like if you want to write some more products like how it contains, if you take any one of the website, for Amazon website, the such some products are available here. If you see some products are available like take this. If you see here, if you take ACs, like it contains the some product like some product name, some price and a description of this. Description means you can see the content like this is a one more object like brand, which brand and capacity and this cooling power. This is the description we are going to add it, like we are going to add this. If you want to delete this product, we can call we are going to create one we are going to create here one button called delete. In that, if you click on that delete button with id, it will going to delete that product. And same like update also, if you click on this button, it will pop out the one, it will going to pop out the one box called update the product information. In that, it will have the some product, already existing product information, like uh, if you suppose you have clicked this product information in the update button, in this it will pop out the one box like uh, model box, and it will already hover on the some product information, like that id, that name, and that product name, that id, product id, that product price name, sorry, product price, and description of the product. If you want to change any one of that, like name or product name, or product pricing, or product content, you can change and you can submit that. It will update in the new product, sorry, it will update in the existing product. Like this we are going to develop in this in the next session. First, here we have seen the product store, and it contains the, it is a object in the form of, it contains the four things, like one is a product, it is a list of products in the form of array. The second one is a add product, and third one is a delete product, and the fourth one is a update product. For that, next we are going to create the, we are going to make it as a store. For that, use product store equal to create function. In this, we are going to pass the, product store, this product store we are going to pass into the this create function. Then we are going to export it, export default use product store. If you see in the count store also, we have did same thing. In the UA part of this product store, we are going to see in the next session. If you like my content, if you like my explanation, like and subscribe my channel and support my channel.